Good day, everyone. Today we're going to discuss the history of the power of taxation. The power of taxation has been an integral part of human civilization since ancient times. The emergence of taxation can be attributed to several key factors and historical developments. As human societies transitioned from nomadic lifestyles to settled agricultural communities, the need for governance and societal organization increased. Rulers and leaders recognized the necessity of funding public services, defense, and infrastructure development. Early forms of taxation, often in the form of tithes or tributes, were collected to support these communal needs. In ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece, powerful empires and city-states emerged. These centralized governments sought ways to finance their growing bureaucracies, maintain armies, and undertake public work projects. Taxes, including land taxes, head taxes, and trade tariffs, became essential sources of revenue for these states. The Romans developed a sophisticated tax system to support their vast empire. They imposed various taxes, including the land tax or tributum soli, a tax on the sale of goods, centissima rerum venalium, and an inheritance tax, vicissima hereditatium. The Roman tax system was instrumental in funding military campaigns, maintaining infrastructure, and sustaining the empire's administrative apparatus. During the medieval period, feudal societies emerged across Europe. Feudal lords collected taxes in the form of labor, produce, or money from their vassals in exchange for protection and the use of land. These feudal dues supported the local ruling class and contributed to the stability of feudal societies. With the rise of nation states and centralized governments in the late Middle Ages and the early modern period, taxation underwent significant changes. The growth of standing armies, the expansion of trade, and the need for increased revenue to finance nation building activities led to the establishment of more systematic and standardized tax systems. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought about significant economic and social changes. Governments increasingly relied on taxation to finance welfare programs, public education, and infrastructure development. Progressive taxation, where higher income individuals pay a higher percentage of their income taxes, became more prevalent. In the modern era, globalization and the interconnectedness of economies have presented new challenges for taxation. Tax avoidance and tax planning strategies by multinational corporations and wealthy individuals have necessitated international cooperation and the development of complex tax treaties and agreements. Throughout history, the power of taxation has evolved as societies transformed and governments adapted to changing circumstances. Today, taxation remains a critical tool for governments worldwide, enabling them to fund public services, promote economic growth, and address societal needs. Together, however, striking a balance between fair taxation, efficient administration, and taxpayer compliance continues to be an ongoing challenge for policymakers and tax authorities.